Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 10, surface areas and volumes, exercise 10.2, fifth question. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. Okay, and the inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. Find inner curved surface area. Find inner curved surface area. So this is the required figure, Nana. So this is small r, this is capital R. Okay, capital R is the outer diameter of the cross section, and small r is the inner diameter. Okay, now inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. Then here diameter is equals to 4 centimeter means we want radius. Radius is equals to what, Nana? That is diameter by 2. Okay, now because of 2 radius is equals to 2 into radius is equals to, that is diameter. Already you have some idea. It's a circle. From center to any point on the circumference, the fixed distance is called the radius. Again, from center to any point on the circle, the fixed distance is called the radius. R plus R, that is 2R, that is nothing but diameter. Okay. So like that only. Here diameter is 4 centimeter. Then radius is equals to diameter by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So radius is equals to 2 centimeter. Now inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area. Case 1. Case 1. Inner curved surface area, that is simply curved surface area and CSE is equals to 2 pi RH. This is the formula, square units. What are the units, Anna? Square units. Now Now 2 into pi. Pi means the value of pi is, we know, that is 22 by 7, or sometimes we take it as 3.14 into R. What is the radius? Radius is 2 centimeter into H. The height of the metal pipe వచ్చేసి ఎంత నాన్న? That is 77. So ఇక్కడ square units కాబట్టి మనకి square centimeters. By using 7 table, 7 ones are 7 11s are 77. So 2 into 22. 2 into 22, that is, otherwise you write like this, 2 into 22 into 2 into 11. 2 into 22 into 2 into 11. So 2 into 22, that is 44, into 2 into 11 means that is 22. So 44 into 22, that is 968 square centimeters. What is the CSE of a inner curved surface area? Inner curved surface area of the metal pipe is 968 square centimeters. Now see, next one is outer curved surface area. Outer curved surface area. Now coming to second case, here given the diameter, the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. So diameter 4.4 centimeter means radius is equals to what? That is diameter by 2 means that is 4.4 centimeter by 2. 2 ones are 2 2.2s are 2 2s are 4 2 2s are 4 అంటే ఇక్కడ మిడిల్ లో పాయింట్ ఉంది కదా సో 2.2s. So the radius is equals to 2.2 centimeters. Now outer curved surface area. Outer curved surface area, that is equals to 2 pi RH. Just now I taken small r. Just now I taken, in case 1 I taken small r. In case 2 I am taking capital R because of అక్కడ మనకి ఇన్నర్ డయామీటర్ ఇచ్చాడు, అవుటర్ డయామీటర్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకేనా? సో దట్స్ వై ద స్మాల్ వేరియేషన్ పర్పస్. స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్. So 2 into pi means that is 22/7 into r. What is the radius? Capital R means what? Nana, that is 2.2 into height, that is same height 77. So square units means that is square centimeters. So again cancellation is possible. Here 7, here 77. 7 ones are 7, 7 11s are 77. So 2 into 22. 2 into 22 means what? Nana? Otherwise you write 2 into 22 into 2.2 into 11. Okay. So 2 into 22, that is 44 into 2.2 into 11. 2.2 into 11. That is 2 to 2. That is 24.2. 2.2 into 11 means what? Nana, that is like this 24.2 వచ్చింది. Again 44 into 24.2. 44 into otherwise 24.2 into 44. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, here 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Next again with 4, again same will come, that is 8, 6, 9. So 8 plus 6 వచ్చేసి 14, 1, 16, 1. So that is what? Nana? Here one number of this point is there, 1064. 1064.8 square centimeters. So therefore the outer curved surface area, is what? Nana? That is 1064.8 square centimeters. Now we want the total surface area. Total surface area. Case 3. In case 3 we want total surface area. That is total surface area means what? Total surface area అంటే మనం just before case 1 లో inner curved surface area find out చేసాం. Inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area. We want the total surface area, inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area. ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఇన్నర్ కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా 968 స్క్వేర్ సెంటీమీటర్ ప్లస్ outer curved surface area, that is 1064.8 square centimeters. So add చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది అన్న 1064.8 968.0, that is 8 12 1 13 1 0 1 means 2032.8 square centimeters. So this is the total surface area of the particular given figure. Okay students, next one is sixth one. The data is given like this. A cylindrical pillar has a diameter of 56 centimeter and 35 meter height. So a cylindrical pillar okay na, what is the height of the cylindrical pillar? Height is 35 meters. 35 meters. Its diameter అంటే ఇదే కదా, సిలిండర్కి 2 సర్క్యులర్ ఎండ్స్ ఉంటాయి, టాప్లో బాటంలో 2 సర్క్యులర్ ఎండ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ డయామీటర్ వచ్చేసి డయామీటర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 56 సెంటీమీటర్. యు ట్రై టు అబ్జర్వ్ చిల్డ్రన్, here height is 35 meters. Okay, here height is 35 meters, diameter is 56 centimeters. Here height is 35 meters and diameter is 56 centimeters. So ఇక్కడ different units ఉన్నాయి. So that's why I want to convert 56 centimeters to meters. So we know that is first of all I'm finding radius. Radius is equals to diameter by 2 means that is 56 centimeter by 2. So 2 ones are 2 28s are. So radius is equals to what I am getting here, that is 28 centimeters. ఈ 28 centimeters ని మనం meters లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. Then radius is equals to 28 by 100 meters, because of we know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter is equals to, that is 1 by 100 meter. Then 28 by 100 meters. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని 0.28 మీటర్స్గా రాయొచ్చు మనం. సో దెన్ రేడియస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాట్ నానా, 0.28 మీటర్స్. దెన్ హైట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాట్ నానా, 35 మీటర్స్. ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ యూనిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, డయామీటర్ అంటే 56 సెంటీమీటర్, రేడియస్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ డయామీటర్ బై 2 మీన్స్ 28 సెంటీమీటర్. ఈ 28 సెంటీమీటర్ని మీటర్స్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే బై 100తో చేయాలి. సో 28 by 100 అంటే 0.28 meters. Now see, a cylindrical pillar has diameter 56 centimeter and 35 meters height. Here according to given question, there are 16 pillars around the building. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area. Okay na, paint cheyadaniki find the cost of painting the curved surface area of all the pillars at the rate of rupees 5.50 per square meters. So 1 square meter ki 5.50 cost చేస్తున్నారు. So first of all we want to find the curved surface area. Okay, so curved surface area of a CSA of a cylindrical pillar. So that is equals to, what is the formula for CSA of a cylinder nana? That is 2 pi RH square units. So that is 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into R. R means, what is the R value? Just now I said that is 0.28 meters. Okay na? So into H means that is 35 meters. So square units means that is square meters. See, by using 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Okay, now 2 into 22. 2 into 22, that is what na? 44 into 0.28 ఇంటూ 5 అంటే ఏమొస్తుందో చూడండి. 0.28 ఇంటూ 5, దట్ ఈస్ 5 8s are 40, 0 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 అంటే 14 వస్తుంది, 4 5 0s are 0, 0 plus 1 అంటే that is 1 only. So what we are getting now, that is 1.40. What we are getting, 1.40. So 0.28 into 5 means what? 1.40. Now again 1.40 into 44 into 1.40. 1.40 into 44. Just see, 4 zeros are 0, 4 4s are 16, 1 ikkada, 4 1s are 4, 4 ki 1 add cheste 5. Again 4, that is 0 6 5, 0 6 11. So ikkada 2 numbers after, so that is what nana, 61.60. So 44 into 1.40 means that is 61.60. So this is the curved surface area of a one pillar. This is what nana, 61.60 వచ్చేసి ఏంట్రా, curved surface area of a one pillar. So this ఇలాంటి pillars ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మనకు అక్కడ, there are 16 pillars are there. How many pillars are there? 16 pillars. So therefore the CSA of a such 16 pillars is equals to, ante that is 16 into what is the CSA of a one pillar nana, that is 61.60 square meters. Again multiply చేయండి, ఏమొస్తుంది, multiply చేస్తే 61.60 into 16, 6 zeros are 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 3 9, 6 6 are 36. Again 1 zeros are 1 6 are 1 1s are 1 6 are 0 6, 9 plus 6 వచ్చేసి 15, 1 8 9. So that is what now, 985.60 square meters. Okay na students, ikkada vachesi the CSA of a one pillar is 61.60. There are 16 such pillars are there, then the CSA of a 16 pillars is equals to 16 into 61.60 means 985.60 square meters. In this question the cost of painting, the cost of painting, the cost of painting for 1 square meter is rupees 5.50. ఓకేనా, 1 స్క్వేర్ మీటర్ కి పెయింటింగ్ చేయడానికి 1 స్క్వేర్ మీటర్ కి ఎంత చార్జ్ చేస్తున్నారు, దట్ ఈస్ రూపీస్ 5.50. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ ద టోటల్ కాస్ట్, ఇప్పుడు ద టోటల్ కాస్ట్ ఏమొస్తుందిరా, దట్ ఈస్ 985.60 ఇంటూ 5.50. సో దీన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ నానా, రూపీస్ 5420.8 rupees అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ ద క్వశ్చన్.
అది కట్ చేస్తా.